Hi Doctor, my name is Wong Chin Kang, can call me CK. My metric number is AE180110. I'm from Group 1, Section 7. Today, I will do the presentation for Experiment 4, Series RL and RC circuit. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce my group member. The first one is Wang Weiqi, and the second one is Ling Wei Hang, and the third one is me. And now, I will do the presentation for simulation. And now I will do the presentation for activity 1. First, we construct the circuit diagram according to the lecture given. First, we construct the AC power supply. After that, connect it to the AC ammeter, and then connect to the voltmeter, and continue connect it to the resistor and set the resistor with 33 ohm, and parallel the resistor with AC voltmeter, and last connect to the inductor and set the value to the 50 microhertz and parallel it with AC voltmeter, and then last connect back to the AC power supply. And after that setting all the thing, we set the AC power supply. Okay, we set the according to the lab sheet given. We first test it with 10, and we need to multiply to square root 2, which is this number, and we set it to the 50 hertz, and after that we can start to simulate it. Okay, after we simulate it, and we need to take some time until all the meter get the stable reading, and then we record down it. Okay, and after that we change the value to 20, which is according to the lab sheet given, and we continue simulate it, and we also take some time to until the meter get the stable reading, and we record it down, and we repeat this step to change the AC power supply, the amplitude to the 30, 40 until 100. This is for the activity 1, and the second is we need to change the resistor to 100, and I have construct another one at the below, and now we see it together. Okay, and this circuit is same with the above one, and the difference is just the reading of the resistor. So when we change the reading to the 100, after that we repeat the same procedure, which is setting it to the 10 multiply to the square root 2, and set the frequency to the 50 hertz. We continue and simulate it, and after that we simulate it, we wait some time until the meter get the stable reading, and we record it down, and then we repeat this to change the amplitude to 20, and we simulate it, and we also wait some time until it get the stable reading, and we just repeat this process until 100. Okay, that's all for the activity 1. And now I will do the presentation for activity 2. First, we construct the circuit diagram according to the lab sheet given. First, we connect power supply to the AC ammeter, and then connect it to voltmeter, and continue connect it to a resistor, and set the resistor to 100 ohm, and parallel the resistor to a AC voltmeter, and then connect to the capacitor with the value 4 microfarad, and parallel it to another one which is 8 microfarad, and parallel to another capacitor which is 16 microfarad, and the last we connect to the AC voltmeter, and then we connect it back to the AC power supply. Okay, and now we need to setting the AC power supply. Since the table given is the VRMS, so that we need to multiply square root 2 to get back the VP. Okay, VP set, so we need to multiply 10 multiply the square root 2, which is this number 1.414213562, and we set the frequency to the 50 hertz. Okay, after that we can start to simulate. Okay, after we simulate it, we need to wait some time until all the meter get a stable reading, and we record it down. After that, we repeat this experiment by changing the the value of voltage according to the table. We change it to 20, and then we continue simulate it, and we also send, we wait some time until it get a stable reading. We record it down, and then we just repeat it according to a table given. We continue until we get until the 100, and now we see this diagram. Okay, this circuit, and this is the same with the above one, and we just change it to the resistor to the 50, and then we also continue it. We also same as the table, we use 10 multiply to the square root 2, and we start to simulate it. And same like I mentioned before, we also wait some time until all the meter get a stable reading. We record it down, and then we also repeat it to change it to the 20, and then we also simulate it and wait some time until all the meter get the stable reading. We record it down, and then we just repeat this step by changing the AC power supply to 30, 40, 50 until 100, and that's all that's all for the activity 2. That's all my presentation for simulation. Thank you, and stay safe.